Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial of Cisco Packet Tracer. This video tutorial will be discussing STP, or as what they call it, a spanning tree protocol. So let's use our topology again in VLAN 678. So let's start with switch 0. Switch 0, or let's start with the command spanning tree PVST. This command is primarily used to avoid redundancy or looping within the set of switches within the topography. And let's set the priority. The next is spanning tree VLAN 6 to 8, priority 4096. As you can see on the screen, that's the set of values that you can use. The set of values corresponds to the priority of the VLAN that will go through the switch. The lower the value is, the more priority the switch becomes. So as you can see on the switch 10, we're going to do the same set of commands. Spanning tree mode PVST, spanning tree VLAN 6 to 8, then priority, we're going to use 28,672, a higher number, meaning it is less prioritized of that wire of going through on that route when a packet is sent. So on switch 11, on the next switch, we're just going to put the command spanning tree mode PVST. That is to avoid the looping. So now we're going to connect the wires. So as we fast forward this part, you could see the orange indicator, meaning that part is turned off. And if you're going to put to show spanning tree on switch 0, you can see that that switch is the root bridge. And on the switch 10, you can see that there is no indicator that is the root bridge. So now, let's go. Okay, in this part of the video, we're just repeating the same steps that we have done on the previous one. We're just connecting the devices. We're going to truncate the different VLANs, okay, and segment the different VLANs with its own IP address subnet. But one thing that we are going to do is that on switch 11, we're going to use the command switch spanning tree port fast BPDU, and this is done on every VLAN that is connected or accessed on the switch. This is to further prevent the looping within the switches. As you can see on the screen, spanning tree port fast and spanning tree BPDU guard enable. And it's the exact same commands for all that was previously done. Truncate, switch port access for different VLANs. Then we're going to configure the router for encapsulating all the three VLANs, VLAN 6, VLAN 7, and VLAN 8 with encapsulation in IP address. And in IP address, then as you can see, that's the topography of a spanning tree. Thank you.